fold the cravat into a triangular bandage. First, you're going to hold the base at your right hand and the apex at your left. And then, hold it towards you in prayer position. Secure it with your left thumb and insert your right hand and pull it out. So this is the broad cravat. Then again, fold towards you, secure with your left thumb, insert your right hand and pull it out. This is the semi-broad cravat. Next, fold it again towards you in prayer position, secure with your left thumb, insert your right hand and pull it out. Okay, this is what we're going to be needing. This is the narrow cravat. Assuming that you have a wound here, and we're going to secure the bandage in place using the cravat. Okay, the apex should be top of it, and then okay, how to do the square knot. Right over left, insert and tighten it. And then left over right, insert and tighten it. Secure with your left thumb and stretch both ends to the right side. And then insert it here so no cells will be dangling. When done and the wound is already fully healed or recovered, we're going to remove this by untying it by pulling the knot. So that's it. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.